So far for the day, gold traded in a no trade zone, as precisely we have mentioned that 2030 levels, 2028 levels is a good support zone, and for on the upside 2035-36 is a good resistance, while silver is the one which has traded the support levels, and it has come to the next target levels between 2240 2250. Precisely few hours back I have mentioned very clearly, very categorically, that 2240 2250 is going to remain the support, though we can sell at 2275. Now what to expect today with the US session, how to profit trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon to get the notification. Let's start first gold followed with silver. Watch. Do join the channel memberships and support the effort. Now look at the hourly charts. What has happened here? You can see this, the drop here, retracement, and again coming to the support level. See, it is forming higher lows, so it can again move towards the highs here. There is a possibility, very strong possibility. But if it fails to stay bullish and breaks below 2028 2030 zone, that is the point at which you can initiate a selling position and expect it to move towards 2024. The first targets 2018 2020, the next, and beyond that is where the bears will take over. If you look at the stochastic, this has come to oversold levels, and also look at the stochastic forming double bottom. There is a possibility of a reversal, but look at MACD. See what MACD has done. It was trading with divergence. It has turned bearish here. It has crossed over and it has since then traded bearish. Now there is not much of downside available. Also, if you look at the MACD, the slope here is bit gradual and the divergence is too much. So couple of green candles do not mean a reversal. And yes, couple of green candles can be expected. RSI comfortable here, coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour charts, what it is done, it is taking support from the 20 period moving average, trying to recover, trying to bounce back. Couple of sharp red candles. See, the retracement candles were smaller in size and then it has turned bearish here, but right now taking the support from the 20 period. Also, if you look at the move here, see, first of all, gold traded or retraced in this bearish zone, then a strong breakout is seen. Now it is trying to retrace again before bouncing back. Stochastic at bottom here. MACD, look at MACD trying to cross over for sell, first red candle. Now I'll wait for it to diverge, because see, the current candle and the follow-up candle is what you should look at. Right now it is just trying to give a glimpse that it can reverse. However, I am looking at this crossover. This is still sign of bearishness. RSI is flat, coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, look at the formation here. One bearish candle, couple of retracement, then another bearish candle. It is coming back to the same levels. Thus it is very important for us to watch out at the current levels. Below 2030 2028 is where slight further bearishness will be seen. Stochastic has dropped. MACD has crossed over here. First red candle, we have to wait for it to deliver another or series of red candles. Right now, current candle, do not take a trade because it is still in the no trade, you can say, because it is taking support from the levels at 2028 2030. RSI flat here, coming to 4. Likewise on the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. It has filled the gap which it has delivered with the weak opening today, and now we have to wait for a breakout on the downside. Stochastic has dropped. MACD, now see, MACD on the 4 hour charts have also crossed over. This is again signs of bearishness. If you look at the stronger rise, the flat move and a crossover here can lead to further bearishness. RSI has dropped. Coming to daily, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch commencing on 4th of March. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Ping me on Telegram or write an email for any of your queries related to the services. Also, do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and be a part of my platform forexfunda.com for all the markets related information, be it the economic calendar, the charts, or the community of traders. And also you can schedule a call there with me if you need any consultation or guide. Now coming to the daily charts, see, on the daily charts, look at the pattern gold has delivered as of now. Also, if you look at lower highs, lower lows, it is trading in this bearish channel after the stronger rise. Remember one point, first, for the day it has to break beyond 2040 42, my favorite levels. After 2030 2032 it is going to be the next resistance, and thus 2040 2042 is something you should watch out for on the upside. If it stays bullish, only and only if it breaks past 2042 we can confirm that it is reversing, and then I will look forward to 2050 and then 2060 65. Beyond 2060 65 it is a breakout here and gold is going to fly high. As long as for the week 2060 65 is not taken, do not treat gold as bullish. That is the first important point. For the day, you can buy here at 2036 itself, and expect it to move towards 2040-42. Very clear. It has to stay above 2036 in order to confirm the rise. Look at the moving averages are on the verge of a crossover. Now, one point is, where is the 20-50 period moving average? It is right now positioned at around 2024 levels. So a possibility of 2028 levels to be breached is there. You can sell here at 2028 and expect it to move towards 2024 first targets and 2018-2020. Only bearishness is if you see it is staying below 2014 levels. Yes, that is the time you can say now gold is reversed, because see, the drop is sharper, the rise is gradual, and if it reverses from the current levels, we can see a good fall in the coming few sessions as well. Stochastic near to top. Look at MACD. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish. It is looking upwards. Also, if you look at MACD, rise, retracement, and the crossover here can lead to higher prices. RSI comfortable. Considering this, very easy. So buy at 2036. But be careful, as long as 2040-42 is not taken, I will not be confirming this as bullish. It can fall back, it can drop, it can crash again. Thus, you should be trading with caution as long as 2040-42 is not taken. On the downside, a selling entry at 2028-2030 can be taken, but also you should watch out for 2024, 2018-20 and 2014-15. As long as 2014-15 is not taken, again, I will not confirm it as bearish. So trade with caution till then. Now let's have a look at silver. So since silver today has given a gap down opening, it has failed to break beyond 2290 so far. In the Asia session update, I have mentioned very clearly that only a buying entry today is about 2290. Failing to stay bullish, we have seen it dropping, and now it is trading with divergence from the 20 period, and also it has come to the support levels between 2240, 2250, which is definitely a critical support level. Now, if you look at the movement here, stochastic has come to oversold and it is forming a double bottom. A reversal can be expected, while MACD has also seen extreme divergence. Thus, from the current levels, it can start to converge, which means bullishness. RSI is also coming out of the oversold levels. Coming to 2 hour. Likewise, on the 2 hour charts, moving averages are trading with divergence. Prices are trading with divergence from the moving average. If you look at the silver's movement here, you can find out how it has been trading. Just simply, if you connect the dots, you will find lower highs, lower lows. Where are the highs of this channel? If you look at the highs of this channel, somewhere here at around 22.90, $23 levels is the highs of the channel, while the support levels are intact. If you look at the stochastic, as this has come to oversold levels, the MACD is trading with divergence. Only two candles away, thus possibility of further bearishness exists. RSI hitting the bottom. On the 3 hour, similar observation, just one observation here you should note, this is the first breakout candle. And with the single candle, it has achieved the lows of the channel here. Thus, only a selling entry I will recommend today is below 2240. If you see silver trading below 2240, you can initiate a selling position here and expect it to move further lows towards 2220 and $22 levels. The higher price has to be below 2240. Remember this fact. If you look at the stochastic, this has come to oversold. MACD is divergent in bearish. RSI is also hitting the bottom here. Coming to 4-hour chart. Similar observation here on the 4-hour charts as well. Yes, it is being trading in this bearish channel. Remember, this bearish channel is created after a series of bullish candles, and it is in the retracement zone, and a breakout and a reversal can be expected later this week. Be watchful of this. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is also hitting that bottom. Coming to the daily. Now look at daily charts. See double bottom here. Look at the formation here. Double bottom retracement. What preceded this was a stronger drop here. So right now it is in a retracement zone. This is under this zone, and it is taking support from the same levels at 2250, 2240. So from the current levels, a reversal can be expected. But first, for the day, for the week, it has to break beyond $23 levels, then 2320, 2330. If these two levels are taken, we have to wait for it to break beyond 2350 and 60. These are the three key levels on the upside. So far, since last multiple weeks throughout this 2024, we have seen silver staying between $22 to 2350, 60 zone. This is the zone it is not willing to come out of. Thus, you have to be trading with caution in between these levels. Stochastic flat, MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, for the day, the selling entry is confirmed at 22, while buying entries I will recommend is only at 2270 levels. But remember, even if you are buying at 2270, it is riskier as long as silver fails to break beyond 2290. It is to be considered for a reversal only and only if silver trades about 2290. So yes, if you are buying at 2270, you have to be extremely cautious. This is a riskier trade. On the down, At 22.40 you can sell and expect it to move towards 22.20 and $22 level. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Do like, share, subscribe and comment, friends. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.